Here is my Tula microphone that just came in with UPS today, and I will then unpack it. So I wanted a Tula microphone for a while now because I create video tutorials, and I'm using a headset today that is not that great. So I'm hoping that this will be something that I want to use for a very long time. So I purchased then the package. So here is then the cover for the Tula mic. It looks like the packing slip. So here's the Tula travel bundle that I purchased. Here is the wind Tula mic dead cat, protect against the wind, and here is the microphone. So here says Tula mics get great sound for Zoom, YouTube, podcasts, and more. Enjoy the freedom of mobile recording, advanced noise reduction on demand, a professional mic made by audio professionals, high-tech inside, simple outside, modern style with a hint of nostalgia. Okay, let's see what we got here. So I purchased the red one. There are different colors: black, white, red, and I think also turquoise. Okay. So this, oh, it was kind of weird. It looked like it was pink first. Oh, this is small. Here's my hand. This is not really nice and small. So here I can just take this off or just turn around. There's a magnet on here. Yep. And a magnet here. So you can just kind of set it up like this. There's a protective sleeve around it. And here it is. It looks really nice and small. And here we have the case for it. You can see how it is to in relation to my hand here. So this is going to be really cool to test out. It has then USB-C in the back here. Different buttons, as we can see here. Volume up, volume down. Might be next sound, last sound, and it looks like turn off the mic here, and there's a mic button here, and on button right there. So yeah, this is going to be interesting fun to test out. So here we have the dead cat, protection against the wind. So this is, so it's just going to put it on. This is what it looks like. So that means just going to put it around here like so. maybe something like this, because here is the microphone at the top and the back. It looks like the microphone goes all the way around like this from the back to the front. So, and just a standard cable, USB-A here and USB-C on the other side. Okay, so in the box there is also then thing here for the it's an adapter for the microphone, so that you can plug it on a microphone tripod or something like that, and then a little user manual here, basic instructions. And it says a USB-C microphone, mobile recorder, the stand, noise cancellation, QSG, and registration. And there's some information here on the back in relation to the different buttons that are on it. So here we see it says rear and front. So this is just something when we'll just kind of take this off and just plug in here, and we can attach it to a microphone tripod. So this is all what's in the box. I have the case for it here as well. Here's the case. It has a little pocket on the inside, and one just kind of closes up and just slides it in. And some accessories, cable, put the dead cat in here, or whatever one needs in there to have along with the mic.